WH, ang pinaka-racket dyan is yung Ghost Project. So walang delivery, Ghost Project. Marami yan. Karamihan yan, it's the regional director. Ipapalabas nila na may project ito, but wala. So the best way is to conduct an audit of those projects to determine if they are ghost projects or not. And I think they are plenty. And I dare say that ang pinakamarami siguro matanggal would be from DPWH. I really intend to clean government. At least kung hindi ko kaya, maminus-minusan ang kurakot sa gobyerno. Yan na lang ang konselo ng tao na mahuli at mapreso. But most of this, yung misconduct, actually, that's the administrative term. Pero kung sa, tignan mo yan, mga crime nila in the penal side, mga falsification yan, malversation. But dito, sa limited kasi ang ground, pero just the same. Pag gross dishonesty, ganun yan. That's embezzlement. Ang pinakamarami, itong road right of way, na hanggang ngayon, ayaw ko kung ano nangyari. This was this scandal in somewhere in Cotabato. I remember it, but I am remembering it now. Tignan ko kung tanungin ko ang DPWH kung ano ang nangyari doon. Or I will have it re-investigated. Tapos yung karamihan ghost projects. Yan ang ano dyan. Yung iba naman, gaya ng public works na nakita ninyo, yung kubeta na walang cover, na puro nakahilira lang yung bowl ni Duro. Walang division, wala lahat. Yung mga klaseng trabaho. So yung ganun, balikan ko yon. I'd like to remind anybody sa DPWH who has had a participation there, being an investigator or connected with the construction, you better you report to me. Tanungin ko kayo kung paano ako magdumi kung ganito na para kaming classmates, seatmate kami ng kalukuhan, kabastusan talaga. I'm sure, government will not allow that kind of project. No engineering in his department, or the engineers themselves would be too crazy to do that. Yan ang mga project na siyaw-siyaw. Yung partial delivery or yung halos, yan, ibigay sa iyo yung project na gano'n. For the longest time, wala masyadong investigation dyan. Pero kayong may kasalanan dyan sa mga gano'n, I advise you to resign now. Resign now. Kasi pagdating ng panahon, I will throw the book at you, even the kitchen sink, tsaka makita ninyo, you will be prosecuted administratively and criminally at walang patawaran dito.